it's important for me to create a world for myself. That's how I see it. To love that's the whole spectrum of life right there. And love is a focal point for humans, like from birth to death, sort of what we're here for in a lot of ways, for love and interaction with other people and self-love and loving others and getting to a place where you're not afraid of who you are, and you can open up and sort of, it's just an ecstatic expression